Equation of line with given intercepts. Prove that the equation of a line with x-intercept of A and y-intercept of B is x over A plus y over B equals to 1. That's a very interesting question, and let's see how to do it. So let me just sketch a line on a coordinate plane. So that is our x and y axis, and let us say we're talking about this line. Okay. Now it is given to us that the x-intercept is A. That means this point is A for us, and y-intercept is B. So this point is B. Now to find equation of a line, what we can do is we can find slope. We already know the y-intercept and get the equation, right? So let us say equation of line is y equals to mx plus b. Now b is the y-intercept, it's already given to us. We need to find the slope m. Now slope m is indeed equal to rise over run. So if you look into these points, what are actually these points? So this point is basically a0, right? And point b, we can write this as 0b, right? So slope is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So 0 minus b divided by a minus 0. That gives us minus b over a, right? Makes sense. So you go down b units and write a units, you get the slope, minus b over a. Since that is the slope, we can write our equation as minus b over a plus b, the y-intercept itself, right? So we have equation of line, this equation of line times x, yes. This equation of line is in slope-intercept form. Now we need to find the equation in the given form, which is x over a plus y over b equals to 1. So what we can do is we can rearrange it. So let me bring x term to the left. So I get b over a x plus y equals to b. Now if I divide by b, what do I get? Now what we are going to do is, let me do it on the right side. So we'll now divide by b, okay? So what we are going to do is we take the equation from here and divide by b. So if I divide by b both sides, here b cancels, so we get x over a plus y over b equals to b divided by b is 1. Do you see? So that is the equation of line for given intercepts x and y. X-intercept of a, y-intercept of b. We get this equation. This is a very useful equation and makes sense. How? Let us check. So how do you check that this is the right equation? So let's check what is the, if you are given an equation like this, what is x-intercept? X-intercept is when y is 0. So when I block this, I get x over a equals to 1, and you can get x equals to a, correct? How about the y-intercept? Y-intercept is when x is 0, right? So you get this part is 0, so you get y over b equals to 1, or y equals to 1 times b, so we get y equals to b. Do you see that? So it works. So this is a very good equation which could be used, and we are going to apply this equation to solve some of our questions in the coming videos. I hope you appreciate this new equation, and let's practice solving some questions with this equation. Thank you and all the best.